Hi, this is Daddy Dome. Today I will show you how to make a good paper airplane that can fly in a windy day. This airplane can fly very far. It can fly 30 meters or 12 seconds in the air. So, let's begin. You fold the paper to the half like this. I usually start from side by side. You just set the position of the corner and press 1 inch from border. Do it on both. Okay. After set it, you press it down. Okay. Then you bring this corner to here. But before you set it, you need to align the top corner first. Make it sharpest as you can, and then you need to align here. Set the position. After all set, you press along the line. So you do it another side. Don't forget to start from the top. Make it sharp. Press 1 inch and then around here. After set, press along the line. Right now we have 2 lines. I will draw it for you for easily to see it. Okay, we have a cross line. You bring the corner and try to make it parallel to the line, and don't make a paper over the line. Just make a small gap about 1 or 2 millimeter. Do it on both sides. Parallel it first and press it. Okay, and then do this shape. Right now we will bring the top to here, and you fold in the cross at the center of the cross line. So make sure that the center of a head and the center of paper should be the same position. Okay, and next we will bring both corners to the center, but this step you need to avoid the paper may slide like this if you fold 1 by 1. I suggest you to way. First, if you want to fold just only left or right, you put another hand and set the position here and it will not slip. Or another option, you do it on the board in the same time. It still be the center. Okay. You need to leave some gap for the next step. In here I left about 2 millimeter. So next you bring the corner. You bring the top to here. But this time is more thick. You need to do it slow. Just make a small curve first and then fold it. After that, you will have another line here. So you fold to the half, set the position first, and then press this. If you leave some gap before, it will easily and the paper will not go over to another paper. So the next, this is the line that I just marked for you. You hold both hands here and keep your forefinger here. You press and open a paper head and make the corner, the top to this area. If you do it correct, it will have a diamond shape like this. Yes, oh sorry. Yes, the diamond shape. And then you put the top down and you bring side of a diamond back. In this step, you will have a super thick head. Okay, the next we will start from here, and we will fold a wing. Do it slow because this step is not so easy, and you let the border of the wing to this corner here. Okay, after finish, you press it. This airplane is very good when you fly in a windy day. It will fly easily in the strong wind. Okay, everything set, and don't forget to sharp your airplane. It may heavy to press it if you so young. So set the wing angle first. If you want to fly this airplane, follow the wind, you can use this style. But if you want to throw it reverse or under the wind, you may need to bring the tail a little bit up. It will let your airplane head going up when you throw it. Try it by yourself.
Hey, don't change the channel! If you like paper airplane, toys, don't forget to subscribe us. You can do it by click on the top right, then click subscribe, and you will never miss any update. And I have something to surprise you. See you on next clip.